Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Welcome back to your Spanish course for beginners level A1.2. If you are here, that's because you finished your level beginner A1.1. So now let's continue learning Spanish. Yeah, remember that our goal is to speak Spanish like a native. You are on the right way to do that, guys. So there we go. So we did level beginner A1.1 in the previous course. So we did from unit 1 to unit 3. Now we are going to start in unit 4, unidad 4. Okay, so let's go there. Welcome back again, guys. So happy to be here with you again. So if you have your book, or if you haven't, just download it on the course below. There's a link to download your book. Also, if you want to have the book in paper, we have it on Amazon. So you just need to go to Amazon, buy it, and the following day you will have it home. It depends on what you want. You don't need to, but if you want, it will be more comfortable for you maybe to write if you want to have it in paper. Perfect. So let's go there. Unidad 4, unit 4. I'm gonna go back to my book, to the screen, so that you can see what I'm teaching, guys. So in unit 4, unidad 4, we are going to talk about places in your neighborhood, places in your area, lugares de tu barrio. So we are going to talk about my neighborhood, mi barrio. Okay, ready? Let's get there. So we have mi casa es tu casa. What does that mean? My house is your house. ¿Qué hay en tu barrio? ¿Qué hay en tu barrio? What is there in your neighborhood? What is there in your area? So that's our title for this unit, for this lesson. Okay, muy bien. So let's start with the vocabulary of places in your neighborhood. Lugares en tu barrio. So let's start with un banco. Un banco. Un cine. Un cine. Una farmacia. Una farmacia. Un hospital. Un hospital. Un centro comercial. Un centro comercial. Un colegio. Un colegio. Un restaurante. Un restaurante. Una tienda de ropa. Una tienda de ropa. Una librería. Una librería. Un teatro. Un teatro. Muy bien, chicos. Very well. Very good job. So now we have the vocabulary of most of the places around your neighborhood, around your area. So you need to learn this vocabulary, but I'm sure you know it already. So if you are ready to do the exercise, let's go there. So let's go to the book again and let's do exercise 1. Ejercicio número 1. Une las palabras con las imágenes. So match the words to the pictures. So une las palabras con las imágenes. We have here all the images. You have here the vocabulary on the top of the book. So let's start with number 1. Número 1. ¿Qué es la número 1? Número 1 es una librería. Ok, muy bien. Una librería. Don't confuse it with a library, guys. A library In Spanish, we say biblioteca. This is a bookshop, okay? Una librería. Número 2. Un banco. Muy bien. Un banco. Número 3. Un teatro. Un teatro. Número 4. Una tienda de ropa. Una tienda de ropa. Perfecto. Buen trabajo. Número 5. What is number 5? Who knows? Perfecto. Un colegio. Un colegio. Número 6. Un hospital. Un hospital. Número 7. Un cine. Un cine. Número 8. Un restaurante. Un restaurante. ¿Cuál es tu restaurante favorito? What's your favorite restaurant? Let me know. Muy bien. Número 9. Una farmacia. Una farmacia. Y número 10. Un centro comercial. Un centro comercial. Perfecto. So now we've got all the places in your area, in your neighborhood, in Spanish. Most of them. Guys, perfecto. So now that you know the vocabulary to describe your neighborhood, let's describe our neighborhood. Vamos a describir nuestro barrio en español. So let's describe our area in Spanish. Here we have this lady. She's going to describe her area for us so we can practice a reading about her description. Okay, so the title is Mi Barrio. Mi Barrio. What does barrio means? Neighborhood, area. Okay, barrio. Let's read her description. Yo vivo en la calle Oxford, en Londres. Es la calle más famosa de Londres. En mi barrio hay 2 bancos, un centro comercial, 3 cines, muchos teatros y tiendas de ropa. Perfecto. There we go. Can you read it for me, please? Read it aloud. Excelente. You have a lovely pronunciation. That's very good. Okay. Let's see now what she's saying here. So she said, yo vivo en la calle Oxford en Londres. So I live in Oxford Street in London. Es la calle más famosa de Londres. Exactly. It's the most famous street in London. En mi barrio hay 2 bancos. In my area, in my neighborhood, there are 2 banks. Okay. Remember, I means there is or there are. Un centro comercial, 3 cines, muchos teatros y tiendas de ropa. So, a shopping center, 3 cinemas, many theaters, and shops for clothes. Okay? Many shops. I know you love shopping, guys. Muy bien, perfecto. So that's the description for her neighborhood. Now, describe your neighborhood. Describe your area. I wanna listen your description, guys. So I'm gonna do it for myself, but you do it for yourself. So stop the video now, write your description, read it aloud. I'm gonna tell you mine now. Mi barrio. En mi barrio hay 3 bancos, 4 restaurantes, un centro comercial muy grande y una farmacia. Me gusta mucho mi barrio. ¿Y tú? ¿Te gusta tu barrio? ¿Qué hay en tu barrio? Muy bien, chicos. Perfecto. Buen trabajo. So describe your neighborhood for me and I'll see you in the next video with more vocabulary. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta luego.